Hi there. Welcome back to our channel. Today's session is on DevOps. Please consider subscribing to our channel and smash the like button. And don't forget to share this video because we need your support to grow our channel. Let's get started with DevOps Introduction. What is DevOps? The term DevOps was formed by combining the words development and operations. It signifies a cultural shift that bridges the gap between development and operation teams. DevOps is a new term that primarily focuses on improved collaboration, communication, and integration between software developers and IT operations. DevOps is a philosophy, one that prioritizes people over process and process over tooling. DevOps builds a culture of trust, collaboration, and continuous improvement. As a culture, it views the development process in a holistic way, taking into account everyone involved: developers, testers, operations folks, security, and infrastructure engineers. Under a DevOps model, development and operations teams are no longer siloed. Sometimes, these two teams are merged into a single team where the engineers work across the entire application lifecycle, from development and test, to deployment, to operations, and develop a range of skills not limited to a single function. Now, let's deep dive into the benefits of DevOps. The first benefit of DevOps is speed. DevOps enables the development teams to move at high velocity. You can innovate for customers faster, adapt to changing markets better, and grow more efficiently by driving business results. The DevOps model enables your developers and operations teams to achieve these results. Next is rapid delivery. DevOps increase the frequency and pace of releases. You can innovate and improve your product faster. The quicker you can release new features and fix bugs, the faster you can respond to your customers' needs and build competitive advantage. Reliability. DevOps ensure the quality of application updates and infrastructure changes. You can reliably deliver at a more rapid pace while maintaining a positive experience for end users. Use practices like continuous integration and continuous delivery to test that each change is functional and safe. Monitoring and logging practices help you stay informed of performance in real time. Scale. DevOps operate and manage your infrastructure and development processes at scale. Automation and consistency help you manage complex or changing systems efficiently and with reduced risk. Improved collaboration. DevOps build more effective teams under a DevOps cultural model, which emphasizes values such as ownership and accountability. Developers and operations teams collaborate closely, share many responsibilities, and combine their workflows. This reduces inefficiencies and saves time. For example, reduced handover periods between the developers and operations. Writing code that takes into account the environment in which it is run. Last, but not the least, security. DevOps move quickly while retaining control and preserving compliance. You can adopt a DevOps model without sacrificing security by using automated compliance policies, fine-grained controls, and configuration management techniques. Please do join us for next tutorial on history of DevOps. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share your feedback and hit like button. Do visit our channel for more such tutorial videos on COBOL, CICS, JCL, vSAM, IBM Mainframe, and Microsoft Azure.